My name is Devon.
And my wātara Winton School, I'm Ryan. Welcome to NEWS News for Rātu, the 24th of November.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's video is toa, which is Te Rau for 3.
As in, e toru ngā mea, there are 3 things.
Ngā mea ne nui e ki ana.
Okay, health and safety news. Year 5, 6, 7 and 8 students are allowed over the road at interval and lunchtime.
Make sure you use the pedestrian crossing correctly to regain the privilege.
High-vis vests. Keep wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
And remember about wearing your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
Mini ball news. You have training at 12:45 on the new courts today, and kia kaha for the playoffs tonight.
Magazine team news. You have a meeting in the group room at 12:45. Kia ora.
Scooter and bike news. Keep that shed tidy by parking your scooters and bikes nicely.
And share the shed, Winton School.
Okay, birthday news. Only one today at Winton School.
Matthew Gill is all Pākehā kid today and is turning the big 10.
That's right. Happy birthday, dude. Rā whānau kia koe. Have a great day.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kite popo.
Stay sharp and haere rā, Winton School.